Yo, what is up everybody, Sinclair here. In this video, I'm going to show you a little thing I coded. But first, I want to say I am so thankful because we have reached 100 subscribers on this channel. And yeah, so thank you to all you guys. I know I don't post that much very often now. That's because I'm very busy. I can't tell you what for legal reasons, but I've been very busy lately, so I haven't been uploading lately. But I will try to upload more things. I just haven't had any ideas of what to upload about. So, yeah, let's get into the video. 3, 2, 1. So, basically, I've made a little PyCharm project, or a Python project, because I had the idea a few days ago to create a computer virus. So, yeah. This is the code. This isn't the whole code, obviously. I made a few different files here to do different things. And this is just the main logic. Like, this is the file. It's called main.py, aka Python. And it calls all the... It basically opens all the other Python files to run. It basically runs all the other ones. This will keep the thing alive, so I can just click the X or the stop button. This just imports some stuff like the sleep, the SYS, which is needed to do this, and then the sub process, which is needed to open them. So, yeah, I'm going to run it and then show you what it does. So first, it opens up this window. It's called installation and has like the Windows installation thing right here. And it says why you're so gullible, everything like that. And it actually, I can't show this on YouTube, so it's blurred out. But I don't want to, yes, I don't want to lose my identity to all you losers. But, yeah. By the way, when I said losers, I meant people that are trying to steal my identity. Not you, subscribers. You amazing people. But, anyway. Yeah, I have to blur this out. Yeah. So, it literally shows your user, your main user. It shows your IP address, which I can then track to find out where you live. Or I can use it to hack your Windows pin, or your just your login. And then it shows your OS. And it says, "Man, you dummy!" And it's like, "Wow, you're so gullible," because like you seriously opened up a malicious file. And when you try and close it, it just it duplicates. It just spawns more. So yeah, you can do this forever, and it'll never stop until it crashes your computer. But yeah. So, not only that, but if I if I do this, you can see it starts spamming random letters. So say you try and Google how to get rid of this, you can't get rid of it. It just does this. It's like I'm gonna try and type in how to get rid of it. How to get, yeah, it just doesn't work. So yeah, this will keep going, and if you say you try and go onto a new tab, you click on the files, it's gone. It just won't. It just dies. So yeah, and not only that, but it completely wipes it. Okay, I couldn't do this for my actual desktop because if I did, it'll wipe my desktop. So yeah, I can't do that. So I created a test folder that it will do. But normally when I release this virus, which I'll actually put it in the link in the description if you want to prank your friends and stuff. But yeah, this thing will literally wipe their desktop, and this bad here is just a test folder. But yeah, basically what it'll do is it'll go into your C drive, your users, and then this IP file literally it's the whole thing that gets your IP and stuff, and it can get your user, which then or your main user, which then I can use right here to go into the desktop and stuff. So, yeah. That's pretty dangerous. Kill tab makes it so if you left click, it'll press Alt F4, which basically just closes the window. The spam, it'll spam random letters and numbers, which it creates the alphabet right here. Spam is equal to true, and then for every letter in that variable, it will press that letter. So, yeah. And if you press A, then it'll stop. Like that. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. So, I want to see really quick, will that work in here? There you go. Yeah, it works. All right. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty dangerous. So yeah. And another thing it will do is it will open a window. So like I'm just gonna run this by itself. It shows your IP address, your user, and stuff like that. And if you try and close it, it doesn't work. It'll just keep spawning more windows. And the last thing is if when you run this virus, if I go into my email real quick, I'll be right back. All right, there we go. I'm in my email, and we actually got an email from the Python, which shows me all of the info that the code gathered. So, yeah, all this happens at once. So it's I can literally just take their IP address. So say somebody's in India, right? They could be in India. They could run this file, and then it'll literally show me their real IP and their real default user, which it's blurred out again. But yeah. Thanks for subscribing. Well, please subscribe. I'm desperate. Thanks for 100 subscribers. Thank you very, very much. And I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it won't be long. Bye.